Hey guys, if you are new here, hi, I'm Chavi, and if you've been around for a while, you know how open I am about things like pleasure, self care, and prioritizing yourself. These conversations have always felt super normal to me, and today I'm in a very relaxed, chill mode. I just want to sit in here and chat with you guys, talk to you about something I recently discovered and really enjoyed exploring. Okay, so recently I came across a brand that actually fits right into the space and feels so easy, not awkward at all. It's Mischief, and today I'm talking about Mischief Rock and Roll with you. Rock and Roll is a lush egg shaped massager with a fixed tail that combines wireless convenience and targeted relief. It's designed for comfort, control, and precision and fits really well into a modern self care routine. Let's start with the packaging and unboxing. The packaging is clean, minimal, and discreet. Very intentional and on brand. Now, inside the box, you'll find the Rock and Roll massager, a remote, a USB charging cable, and an instruction manual. Everything neatly packed and easy to understand. Now, when I first picked it up, I immediately noticed how premium it feels. It's made with premium liquid silicone, ultra smooth, soft, and easy to hold. So the fixed tail is something that makes the product stand out. With the help of this built-in tail, you can guide it inside and remove it easily. And this large ribbed head is designed for extra pleasure. Now, how to use it? This is an internal pleasure product that works through the remote. Just start by long pressing the power button on the massager for about 2 seconds to switch it on, then do the same on the remote. Once connected, keep pressing the remote button to cycle through the different modes and go at your own pace. This comes with a wireless remote, which makes the experience super effortless, especially when you don't want to interrupt the moment. It works well for both solo use and partner play. In terms of features, Rock and Roll comes with 6 massage patterns and 3 speed controls, so you can easily explore and find what actually works for you. It's also impressively quiet. This is right now working and you can hear me clearly, right? So with Whisper Quiet technology under 50 decibels, everything remains quiet and discreet. The product is IPX7 waterproof, so it's safe to use in the shower and very easy to clean. It's USB rechargeable and gives you up to 60 minutes of uninterrupted use, which is really convenient. If you need more details, you can always refer to the instruction manual or instructions on the website. Cleaning is simple too. Just rinse it with warm water and a mild soap or toy cleaner. Let it dry completely and store it safely. It even comes with a 6-month warranty, which I feel is super reassuring. It just says the brand is behind the product and isn't just sending something random. One thing I also want to mention is that if you want to pair it with a water based lube, like Mischief's own water based lube, it is going to make the experience more smooth and comfortable.
First up, classic. If you like to keep things simple, this one's for you. No added flavor, no unnecessary extras, just smooth, lightweight hydration that works perfectly for everyday intimacy and toy use. Vanilla and citrus. This one feels fresh, fun, and slightly sweet. The vanilla adds warmth while citrus keeps it light, making it great if you enjoy a subtle sensory experience without anything overpowering. Then there's tea and peach, soft, calming, and naturally fruity. It feels soothing on the skin and is perfect if you prefer something gentle, balanced, and comforting, especially for longer, relaxed moments. And finally, Ylang Ylang. This one's more sensual and mood setting. The natural aroma adds a luxe touch while still being water based, paraben free, and easy to wash off.
It's worth trying if you like extra bit of glide. Now, before I wrap this up, I want to make a note that Mischief really makes products that are meant to fit into your life and nothing that makes you feel uncomfortable, and I think that matters. Claim your pleasure with Mischief. Play more, explore more, and write your own pleasure story. Visit mischief.in and claim your pleasure today. Bye.